we're using ASIC chips, so it's a real systems, and we are measuring the performance because what we want to give to the potential customers and partner are data which are irrefutable, so that they cannot be contested in any ways.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Quantum Blockchain Technology CEO Francesco Gardin. Francesco, very good to speak with you again. You're up with a business update today, really focused on your methods A and B, and it looks like you're making progress on those fronts.
Yeah, good morning, Simon. Yes, indeed, we released a market update, and we covered what was not covered in the last announcement in January. So we covered about all the other methods, while Method C, of course, is going ahead, and we're working extremely hard to arrange a demo for the Miami event at the end of this month. And as you will understand, the demo is not just showing live, but is all the graphics around. So, I mean, there is a lot of work around this. Yes, we gave an update to the market, and basically we are at the point where we finally have for method B the ASIC chip that we needed. I mean, you cannot race. I mean, even if you are the best pilot, but you don't have a car, you cannot race. And we've been waiting for this car, the Intel chip, and then Intel chip, we didn't have access to the source code of the operating system. And then finally, this BM1370 from the largest Chinese manufacturer came out. And as usually happens with these chips, you don't have any specs, any documentation. So it's a reverse engineering, which is not an easy task because you have a chip with no specs, and then you have to understand its internal behavior, which is the last thing that the manufacturer wants people to know. And now we have established that this is the chip that we can use. We have the source code because BTAX, which is the system where the chip is installed, is open source. So now we're testing this chip with the method B. So this is very, very, very good news.
And on method A, that's being tested in a lab to measure its mining efficiency at the moment.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we're using ASIC chips, so it's a real systems, and we are measuring the performance because what we want to give to the potential customers and partner are data which are irrefutable, so that they cannot be contested in any way. So we are testing the system with different version of CG miners. We're testing the system with different version of USP miners. So it's a massive work before you go out to the world and to customers and say, this is the system, this is the product. So it's a very, very demanding phase of our development, but we're here and we are terribly focused on getting this demonstration ready for the end of this month, where we will attend Bitcoin Disrupt in Miami.
And do you think investors may have been disappointed that you didn't cover Method C in today's business update?
Well, I mean, we just discussed Method C a month ago, and we're going ahead, and we felt there was no need to update again on something that we already updated 4 weeks ago.
Francesco, last year you signed a number of NDAs with major players in the Bitcoin market. Are you able to give us any additional information on that, or how do you see that progressing?
Well, I mean, all these contacts with these major players are kept by Vlad, our international consultant, and by Jose Rios. And basically they stand and all these big players say, come here, let's sit down, have a live demo with your system engineered, and any saving that you can provide to us, I mean, we are more than welcome to take it on board. So I mean, the ball is in our court, and they just patiently waiting. But these kind of players, they give you only one chance. So the demonstration has to be perfect.
Francesco, you also gave an update on the legal case that you're involved in at the moment. Could you tell us more about that, please?
Oh, yes. I mean, it's going according to plans. Of course, if you have a sentence against you for 6.5 million plus interest, you will try to appeal at the highest level. So it wasn't a surprise to us that they appealed to the High Court, which is Cassation Court. But in the meantime, our recovery of the funds is going on, and we're taking all the legal action by seizing assets, freezing bank accounts. So the cassation appeal doesn't stop us from collecting money, which indeed we are.
Well, Francesco, I hope you'll keep us posted on any additional progress as well as what happens that Bitcoin disrupts later this month. Thank you very much for the update today.
Thank you very much. Bye.
That's Quantum Blockchain Technology CEO Francesco Gardin.